Imagine stepping into a bustling kitchen, the air thick with the aroma of freshly baked bread and sweet vanilla. At the heart of this culinary symphony stands a loyal companion, whirring steadily as it transforms simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. This unsung hero of the kitchen is none other than the stand mixer, a tool that has revolutionized baking for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. In the world of stand mixers, two titans stand out: Hamilton Beach and KitchenAid. These brands have become household names, each with its own devoted following. But what sets them apart? Is it the sleek design that catches the eye, or the powerful motor that effortlessly kneads the toughest dough? Perhaps it's the rainbow of colors that can match any kitchen decor, or the price tag that makes one more accessible than the other. As we dive into the world of stand mixers, we'll unravel the mysteries behind these kitchen workhorses. Whether you're a seasoned baker looking to upgrade your equipment or a cooking novice taking your first steps into the world of baking, this comprehensive comparison will guide you through the strengths and quirks of Hamilton Beach and KitchenAid stand mixers. Design and build quality. KitchenAid stand mixers are known for their iconic, timeless design that has remained largely unchanged since their introduction in the 1930s. They feature a solid, die-cast metal construction that contributes to their durability and stability during operation. The mixers come in a wide range of colors, allowing users to choose a model that matches their kitchen decor or personal style. Hamilton Beach stand mixers have a more modern, compact design. They are generally lighter and more portable than KitchenAid models, making them easier to move and store. While they may not have the same premium feel as KitchenAid mixers, they are still well constructed and suitable for most home baking needs. Motor and gearing system. KitchenAid mixers use a direct drive transmission system, which provides more efficient power transfer from the motor to the attachments. This system contributes to their ability to handle tough mixing tasks with less strain on the motor. The motors are designed to maintain consistent speed even under load, ensuring uniform mixing results. Hamilton Beach mixers typically use a gear-driven system. While effective for most tasks, this system may not be as efficient as KitchenAid's direct drive system when dealing with very heavy doughs or large batches. Capacity and bowl design. KitchenAid offers a range of bowl sizes, typically from 3.5 quarts to 7 quarts, depending on the model. Their bowls are usually made of stainless steel and come with a comfortable handle. Some models even offer glass bowls as an option. The larger capacity bowls are ideal for those who frequently bake in large batches or for commercial use. Hamilton Beach mixers generally have smaller bowl capacities, ranging from 3.5 to 4.8 quarts. Their bowls are typically stainless steel, but some models lack a handle, which can make them less convenient to use. The smaller capacity is usually sufficient for most home baking needs. Power and performance. KitchenAid mixers are known for their powerful motors, ranging from 250 watts in smaller models to 970 watts in professional-grade models. This power allows them to handle tough tasks like kneading bread dough with ease. They use a planetary mixing action, which ensures thorough and even mixing. Hamilton Beach mixers generally have less powerful motors, typically around 300 watts. While this is sufficient for most everyday baking tasks, they may struggle with very stiff doughs or large batches. They also use a planetary mixing action, similar to KitchenAid. Speed settings and controls. KitchenAid mixers usually offer 10 speed settings, providing precise control over mixing tasks. They also feature a soft start function to prevent ingredients from splattering when the mixer is turned on. Hamilton Beach mixers typically offer 6 or 7 speed settings. While this is fewer than KitchenAid, it's still sufficient for most baking needs. Some models also include a folding setting for gently incorporating delicate ingredients. Attachments and versatility. KitchenAid mixers are renowned for their versatility. They come with standard attachments like a flat beater, wire whisk, and dough hook. What sets them apart is the wide range of optional attachments available, including pasta makers, food grinders, and ice cream makers. This allows the mixer to function as a multi-purpose kitchen appliance. Hamilton Beach mixers come with similar standard attachments: a flat beater, wire whisk, and dough hook. However, they don't offer the same extensive range of additional attachments as KitchenAid. This limits their versatility compared to KitchenAid models. Ease of use and cleaning. KitchenAid mixers feature a tilt head design in their smaller models and a bowl lift design in larger ones. The tilt head design allows easy access to the bowl and attachments. Most parts are dishwasher safe, making cleaning relatively easy. Hamilton Beach mixers typically use a tilt head design, which allows for easy bowl access and attachment changes. Their lighter weight makes them easier to move around. Most parts are also dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. Energy efficiency. While specific energy efficiency ratings are not typically provided for stand mixers, we can make some inferences based on their power ratings and design. KitchenAid mixers, with their more powerful motors, may consume more energy during operation. However, their efficient design and durable construction mean they can complete tasks quickly, potentially reducing overall energy use. Hamilton Beach mixers, with their lower-powered motors, likely consume less energy during operation. However, they may need to run for longer periods to complete tougher tasks, which could offset some of this efficiency. Price point. KitchenAid mixers are generally more expensive, reflecting their premium build quality and brand reputation. Prices can range from around $200 for basic models to over $500 for professional-grade versions. Hamilton Beach mixers are significantly more affordable, with most models priced under $150. This makes them an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers or those who bake less frequently. Durability and longevity. KitchenAid mixers are known for their durability and longevity. Many users report their mixers lasting for decades with proper care. The all-metal construction contributes to this durability. While Hamilton Beach mixers are well constructed for their price point, they may not have the same long-term durability as KitchenAid models. Some parts, like the attachments, may include plastic components, which could be less durable over time. Noise level. KitchenAid mixers, especially the higher-end models, are generally quieter during operation due to their robust construction and powerful motors. Hamilton Beach mixers may be slightly noisier, particularly when working with tougher doughs or at higher speeds. Weight and portability. KitchenAid mixers are known for their substantial weight, which can range from about 22 pounds for smaller models to over 30 pounds for larger ones. This weight contributes to their stability during operation but can make them challenging to move or store. Hamilton Beach mixers are generally lighter, typically weighing between 12 to 15 pounds. This makes them more portable and easier to store, which can be advantageous for users with limited counter space or those who don't keep their mixer out permanently. Color and finish options. KitchenAid is renowned for its wide range of color options, with over 40 colors available across their product line. This includes everything from classic white and black to bold reds, blues, and even custom metallic finishes. This variety allows users to match their mixer to their kitchen decor or personal style. Hamilton Beach offers a more limited color palette, typically including standard options like black, white, and stainless steel. Some models may come in red or other colors, but the range is not as extensive as KitchenAid's. So, which one is better? Both KitchenAid and Hamilton Beach offer quality stand mixers, but they cater to different needs and budgets. KitchenAid mixers are ideal for serious bakers, those who frequently make large batches, or users who value versatility and long-term durability. They offer more power, larger capacities, and a wide range of attachments. However, this comes at a higher price point. Hamilton Beach mixers are excellent for occasional bakers, those with limited kitchen space, or budget-conscious consumers. They offer good performance for most everyday baking tasks at a fraction of the cost of a KitchenAid. While they may lack some of the power and versatility of KitchenAid models, they are still capable of producing excellent results for most home baking needs. Ultimately, the choice between Hamilton Beach and KitchenAid will depend on your specific baking habits, budget, and how much you value the additional features and durability offered by KitchenAid. Both brands have their strengths, and either can be a valuable addition to your kitchen, depending on your needs.